Hi there, we are Caleb and Mary Beth Lutz from Let's Grow Sales and Marketing, and today we want to tell you about our sales training workshops and how they can help your company grow. The biggest differentiator between this and any other workshop that you've used before is that this is a customized workshop. This is not a generic sales training, but this is actually built around your business, your industry, and your sales process, specifically with your company. So we have a big emphasis on understanding what your top performers are doing differently and where teams are getting stuck and how we can come in and bridge those gaps.
As we do this, we have three superpowers we bring to the table. First one you already heard about, and that is a fully customized game plan. We've made the decision we only work with 2 to 3 companies at a time on these workshops, so we can be all in with you. We can understand what moves the needle forward and what really doesn't in your industry. Second, everything we do is activity-based, so you will not hear us doing a 50-minute lecture. You will hear 2 to 3 minute bullet points, followed immediately by peer-led activities where we're putting that into practice right away. And third, which I believe is most important, we consider ourselves peers to your salespeople as well as peers to your sales management team already. We're in the action mode where we are still building out our community, where we are still building out our platforms. And so it's very much community learning as we go here.
Some possible routes that we do go depending on the outcome of that initial first session that we have with you. Things like advanced selling and negotiation techniques, which would include objection handling, value-based conversations, and closing strategies. Another topic is sales mindset and performance coaching, addressing areas like confidence, consistency, and mental toughness with sales reps. Another route is a custom sales playbook, which would include things like messaging, talk tracks, and outreach templates. Another is a core sales fundamental workshop. So this would include areas of prospecting, discovery, and how to build relationships effectively in your sales career. And we also are creating an ongoing video library that is a micro-learning area for people. And we have a learning community as well that is also ongoing and continually growing.
So outcomes you can expect when you work with us. Number one, you get to know me and Mary Beth on a personal level. We consider any of our clients that we do go all in with friends of ours and peers, and it's not just a one and done, but we want that business growing long term.
Yes.
Number two, support for your salespeople, ongoing support for them. This again can be those forms we talked about. They can be ongoing trainings. They can include one-on-one coachings. Have options for those as well. Obviously, it's the confidence that the salespeople have, which comes from the clarity in their process and knowing what moves the needle forward. And then finally, what everyone loves, which is the more consistent deals and the more business coming to your company overall.
So to get started, go ahead and check out the description box below for a link that will take you directly to our website to book an intro session, and then we will explore a customized workshop with you after we have our initial call. It's been great getting to share with you here today, and we're looking forward to seeing you and meeting you soon. Have a great day.
See you guys.